Types of transmission shafts. Main shaft. The main shaft or output shaft is the primary shaft of the gearbox that receives or absorbs the power from the engine. It works by transferring power from the engine to other engine components, such as the gears in the gearbox. It extends from the engine block to the transmission. Counter shaft. A counter shaft is a shaft that runs parallel to the main shaft in a gearbox and carries the pinion wheels. Propeller shaft. The propeller shaft connects the gearbox output shaft to the rear differential. It transfers rotational motion and consists of the propeller shaft, universal joints, and slip joints. The propeller shaft is a tubular steel shaft that must withstand torsional loads. Cardan shaft. A cardan shaft is the drive shaft between the gearbox and the back axle. Power is transmitted via cardan shafts to the final drives at the front ends of the forward and rear chassis. The cardan shaft is fitted with universal joints at each end, so that it can adapt itself to the inequalities of the drive. Idler shaft. The primary function of the idler shaft is to reverse the gear's direction. In other words, it switches the direction of the rotation. An idler shaft supports rotating elements in transmissions like sprockets, gears, and pulleys.